So friends, let's make today's delicious Goan prawn rissois. For that, I'm going to make a white sauce first. So in a pan, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of butter. When the butter melts, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of plain flour or maida. And then I'm going to use 1 cup of milk, but I'm going to add just a little at a time till this sauce starts to thicken. Once this is done, just set it aside in a bowl. Now we're going to prepare the prawn filling. So here I'm heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm going to add the prawns. So I'm using 3/4 of a cup of prawns. So these are big prawns. I've just cut them up into little smaller pieces so it's easier to eat when you bite into the rissoi. So now just fry the prawns for about a minute till they turn, into a little pinkish color, and then just take them out into a bowl and set them aside. Now in the same oil, I'm going to fry, I've taken 8 cloves of garlic and chopped them really fine. I'm going to fry this garlic really well till the rawness of the garlic goes away. Then I'm going to add 1 green chili, which I've chopped fine, and fry the chili really well till it starts to turn a little bit on the whiter side. Next, I'm going to add 1 small onion that I've chopped fine. Once the onion is a little translucent, we're going to add the fried prawns back into this bagar. Fry everything well together or mix everything well together. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of pepper powder and some salt to taste. Mix all of this really well. And now we're going to add the white sauce that we had prepared, or the bechamel sauce that we had prepared. We're going to add that back and just mix it in well with the prawns. Now we want this to be a dry mixture, so just cook it for about a minute, and then you're going to transfer it into a bowl and cool it completely to room temperature. Now I'm just going to put the heat off and add some grated cheese. So with the residue heat, the cheese is going to melt. And once you mix everything well together, just transfer it to a bowl, set it aside, let it cool to room temperature, and then only we can make the lovely prawn rissoi. Now I'm going to make the dough. So here I have 1/2 cup of plain flour or maida, 1/2 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of milk, and a little salt to taste. So now in my pan, I'm going to add the water, I'm going to add the milk and the butter. And we're going to mix all these 3 ingredients really well together till the butter melts into the liquid. Then I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. Again, mix the salt in well. And then I'm going to add this plain flour, and using a whisk, I'm just going to mix everything well together. You're going to mix this till it starts leaving the sides of the pan and cook it for 1 minute. After that, transfer it onto a plate and let it cool a little, and then just add a few drops of butter or clarified butter or ghee, and then just knead it into a very soft and elastic dough. Now I'm just going to take the dough, and I'm just going to roll it out onto my rolling board. You don't need to dust it with any flour because it's very easy to work with. This dough is very elastic and very easy to work with. And then using a regular vodee, or you can use any mold, just cut them into even size rounds. Once that is done, just add the filling in the center. Don't overfill it or don't underfill it. And then just apply a little bit of water to one side of one half of the circle, and then just lift the other half, seal it up really well. So in this way you can prepare all of them. See that you seal it really well, because we are going to deep fry them, and if it is not sealed properly or if it had some cracks or it breaks, then it will open up in the oil. So be extremely careful about that. Take your time with it if you're a beginner. But this dough is so easy to work with. It's very, very elastic. It doesn't crack, it doesn't break. Just knead it well in the beginning. And now these are all ready. Now just to be doubly sure, I'm just going to take a fork and seal it, or just press it down, making a design as well as sealing it so it doesn't open up in the oil. And now I'm just beaten up 1 egg, and I've got some breadcrumbs. I'm just going to dip each of them into the beaten egg as well as the breadcrumbs and set them aside. Keep your oil for heating on a low to medium flame, and then all you're going to do is just deep fry these lovely rissoles till they're nice and golden brown, and then just drain the excess oil and enjoy this with some lovely ketchup or some sauce. I hope you give this recipe a try. Today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshatas Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.